Hi guys. Well, oh my gosh. That's my friend. Stop it. Stop. So I lied about not making content. All right. Please. Stop it, Young. Stop. I'll unfriend you. So, I kinda lied about the no content. So, like, I will be making content, just not gaming content is what I meant. But I forgot to add that in, so please forgive me. So, like, we're gonna, like, make some vlogs about stuff for, like, quick vlogs. I uploaded the content thingy this morning. Some people watched it. So if you're my subscriber or a new person, can you please subscribe and like? And you can watch my other videos I made in the past. So yeah, bye.